Hello there, Taylor from SevereWeatherTV.com bringing you the latest look at tropical cyclones, United States severe thunderstorm weather. So cyclone-wise, this is pretty much it. A near 0% chance of tropical cyclone formation, down from 50% chance yesterday. But right now, pretty much this thing is over tropical cyclone-wise. However, the SAMN wants to underscore the fact that the population should not underestimate this system, as it's still expected to bring torrential rains to Michoacan y Guerrero, and rains that are very intense, rains that are very strong, so on and so forth with this system, even though it won't officially be a tropical cyclone. And that's often what you have with the weaker type systems, is that they become a very large rain threat. Sometimes the weaker the system it is, the more it's all about the rain. Here is the GFS representation of what would this be called? Accumulated precipitation. So you can see the thing that could have been Tropical Storm Amanda. Here's the general area where there's going to be the torrential rains from this system. So that thing goes on and turns into that. And again, Southern California, just completely white over the next, that's up to what, 312 hours. That's a whole lot of hours from now. So other than that, that is it. That's all that's going on. The season over here in the Eastern Pacific does not officially begin until May 15th. Of course, that didn't stop this area from popping up outside of the season, as things often do, because it's close enough to the season. So nothing over there, nothing over there. The season over in the Atlantic and the Central Pacific starts on June 1st. So, of course, we'll be watching that to see if stuff happens there. United States severe thunderstorm weather-wise. Got a strong tornado chance to talk about today. But here's an overview of the next few days in terms of the threat. At the moment, or at least as of the time I load the page, 3 different watches in effect. We've got severe thunderstorm watch up there. Tornado watch is the red box, and another severe thunderstorm watch. Here is the tornado map. So this tornado map is showing 2 different things. You've got as high as the 10% chance today, and it happens to overlap with the black hatched area. So the black hatched area is where the models are showing something that's indicative that there could be strong tornadoes. So on the Fujita scale, instead of just EF0 to EF5, strong or significant tornadoes are defined as the EF2 and greater. And of course, if you're in a mobile home, an EF2 is all you need to basically have the equivalent of EF5 damage to a quote-unquote normal house, right? Here is the map showing the probability of severe winds, just 15%, but that is a pretty big coverage area. And then the hail map. So this is, again, we've got black hatched areas. So you've got as high as a 45% chance for this area. And then the black hatched areas are where the models are indicating that could be significant hail. So instead of just 1 inch or larger hail, 2 inch or larger hail could very well be possible in those areas today. Tomorrow moves on over here, just at the moment a 15% chance, but yeah, there's pretty big coverage area with the 5% as well. Day after that, as of now, 5% chance. And then day after that, this is actually, since it's part of the day 4 through 8, defined as a 30% chance. So again, this thing could be, by the time that Sunday rolls around, it could be covering a whole bunch of areas in terms of the entire threat. But this only shows what they expect to be the 30% and greater threat. SevereWeatherTV.com is a website you can go to click on things, as you often do on websites. And yes, and that is it for today. And have fun.